Superman bursts into view against the city skyline, a beacon of hope soaring through the clouds. Below, people point and cheer, their faces reflecting the light of Superman's arrival. Everyone is waiting for Superman to save the day. Beneath a towering tree, Superman gazes up, his iconic figure a beacon of hope in the sun-drenched park. High above, a small cat perches precariously on a branch, its frightened eyes reflecting the vastness below. With gentle reassurance, Superman extends his arms, a comforting invitation in his voice. "Come on, kitty, I'll get you down." Superman sits defeated, wiping sweat as the narrator proclaims, "Sometimes, even Superman fails." Suddenly, the cat soars away, leaving Superman dumbfounded and questioning, "Am I Superman, or just a super cat servant?" In comical pursuit, Superman trips, proving the narrator's point. The cat taught everyone a lesson today, and Superman just broke a sweat.